guys, how's it going? What's up? Just cruising over to mom and dad's house right now. Got a fruit tree in the backyard that is getting some decay and rotten. A couple limbs have fallen off. So I just thought I'd bring you guys along so you guys can enjoy watching somebody else doing a little bit of tree work. Pops is getting scared that it's getting a little too close to their house. So he's already been whittling on it a little bit, taking off a few limbs, what he said. And it's to the point where he's got some bigger stuff there that he can't quite handle. So we're going to go over and see what he's got going on and see if we can give him a hand, load it up, and get that thing taken care of for him. So we'll catch you in a few. Pops is trying to remove this tree, and there's some bigger limbs here that he can't handle with his electric pole saw. He's giving her hell. You got the other saw over here, it's electric, just too much to handle for him. So here's the game plan on this little tree here, backyard removal. We're gonna cut this one out first, remove it down there, make room for these guys to come down, and then we're gonna take this one completely off. We can fit it right back in there between the trash can, yeah. And get the 455 fired up here for you, and we can start doing it. We're gonna aim for that red can right there. Quite a bit. We're just going to push it over that way. Right there at the red can, right where we wanted them. We can do some groundwork here, cut this up, get it out of here loaded. Got a little bit of decay and rot there in the center. It was starting to go. Yeah. I don't know if I can cut that any lower. I could probably get another sliver off of that if you want.
If you can.
Yeah, it's like flush with the grass right now. But I'm pretty much done cutting, so if I hit a rock or something, it's not a big deal. So the reason for this, guys, Pops wanted the stump lower than the grass here. That way he can just kind of chip away at it. Pretty much gone.
Yeah.
Don't like doing that to the chain, but we're pretty much done cutting anyway because of the dirt and whatnot. Only for Pops. All right, guys. So the 455 made really short work of this little plum cherry tree. All around solid machine, and there's the muffler mod still got rocking the hole in the chain guard, and you can see the power that it puts out with a good sharp chain. Yeah, just a good solid saw. I really do like it for small projects like this. Just wanted to give a little shout out to the Echo chainsaw top handle. Oh yeah, this one does have a muffler mod on it also. I did that years ago. And man, it really woke this puppy up. Basically, the throttle response is a lot snappier when it warms up, and definitely increased the power. It has a spark arrestor in there, and then added this ring right here, because on these they just have that silly hole, and it's hard to get a carabiner just right there. So I took a ring, cut it in half, another little chainsaw hack, and then just spot welded it back together. And never had an issue with this saw either. Always usually a couple cranks in, it fires right up. Got the choke right there, and then the chain brake, obviously. That's a 12-inch bar. Yeah, that little Echo got with it. 455 was cutting good today. Always cuts good. Pretty much what's left, fellas. Other than what's in my truck, there's scraps there. And we got this stuff there, and I think Pops has got one. Actually, that green trash can right over there. He's filling that up. And he's done some work before we got here. Got that, getting that all filled up there. But anyway, we are done. Other than load that junk up there. Both great saws. But yeah, really impressed with the Echo. You know, it's actually a really decent saw. I've never had any issues with it. My close friends borrow that saw for whatever purposes, you know, they need to trim their trees in their yard and around their house and stuff. And they really enjoy that saw. So as you can see, guys, it really isn't that big of a tree. About 3/4 of a pickup load, I would say. And she is now empty. What, 15 minutes of unloading? Wasn't too bad. So, yeah, we got some good fruit wood here. It's gonna be excellent for smoking barbecue, tri-tips or whatever. We do quite a bit of barbecue. I'm really glad you guys got a chance to hang out and chill on the channel. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.